Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in Capcut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Capcut app and now you can create a new project or edit your existing project. I'll go with my existing project, click on it. Now, to add the green screen, firstly you'll have to download the green screen, which I have already done. If you haven't, you can download it for free from sites like Mixkit and Pixabay and stuff. So to add the green screen, all you have to do is find overlay option, which is right here. Click on overlay option. Now again, click on add overlay. Now choose the green screen that you have downloaded and click on add to add it to your timeline. Now we have added the green screen, and after adding the green screen, resize it according to your requirement. And since we don't want the background that is green, swipe right until you see remove BG, that is background. Click on that option. Now click on chroma key option at the bottom right corner. Choose the color picker to the green color, that is background. Now to remove the green color from the edges of the subject, increase the intensity, and once you're done, click here to save changes. Now if we play the video, and that's how we can remove green screen in Capcut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.